What's up, guys? So here are some of the reasons why your computer is slow. Number one, your RAM size. Nowadays, the applications and programs we use are heavy. So if your RAM size is less than 4 gigabytes, you will have problems. Your computer will keep on freezing. So go and get a RAM of at least 4 gigabytes. On number two, we have processor speed. So nowadays you need at least a Core i3 and the clock speed should be at least 3.2 gigahertz for you to have better speeds on your computer. On number three, we have the main storage, and if you are still using the hard disk drive, go and get yourself an SSD. Your speeds will definitely improve. On number four, we have startup programs. So as you'll be using your computer, you install a lot of different applications, and some of these applications will start automatically the moment you boot up your computer. So they'll be running in the background, and while they will be running in the background, they will be using up space, and that will result in your computer being slow because that space that all those background applications are using should be used by the application that you actually want to use. So go to your task manager and deactivate all startup programs that are not required by your computer, and that will help your computer to speed up. Number five, Windows updates. So if your operating system is not up to date, you'll see that it will be very slow. So go to settings and update your operating system, and your computer will definitely speed up. On number six, we have malware and viruses. So if your computer is being attacked by viruses, it will tend to be slow. So the solution is to go and get yourself a powerful antivirus. Go and buy a powerful antivirus and scan your computer to make sure that all the viruses are deleted, and then from there now you will see that your computer will start to speed up and you will get the speeds that you require. And last but not least, disk space. So you see that as you fill up your main storage or your hard drive, there is a point whereby it will become red, and from that time going on, you will see that your computer will slow down. So do not fill up your hard drive. Better get an external hard drive where you put most of your files on an external hard drive so that your internal drive will be free. Usually, if you leave a space of at least 100 gigabytes on your main storage, you will not have any problems on the speed of your computer.